So here 18 over 16, this is a proper fraction, so I have to simplify it. So what is the common table here? 18 equals 2 times 9, 16 equals 2 times 8, so the common table is 2. I'm going to divide by 2 up and down. 18 divided by 2 equals 9, and 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And the result is also an improper fraction. So I have to get the simplest form of the improper fraction. And I have to change it into a mixed number. So the first step is to keep the denominator as it is and make long division here. 9 divided by 8. So I'll make table 8 till I reach to a number less than 9. So 8 times 1 equals 8, and 8 times 2 equals 16. So I will take 8 times 1. So 8 times 1 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. So 1 will go to the numerator up, and this one will be the whole number. Okay, the last example here I'm going to, as I said before, I'm going to change 1 into 7 over 7. Changing this one depends on the denominator of this fraction. Here the denominator is 7, so I'm going to change this one into 7 over 7. So here the denominator is going to be the same, 7, 7, 7. 7 minus 1 equals 1, 7 minus 6 equals 1. Okay? And then, page 16. Here, comparing fractions. The first kind of fractions is the kind fractions. How I know the kind fractions? The kind of fractions have the same denominators. If the denominators are same, so the big is going to be big and the small is going to be small. So which is greater, 6 or 5? It's 6. So if the denominators are same, I'm going to cross both of them, and the big is going to be the big, the small is going to be the small. Okay? Okay. Here, I'm going to change 1 into, yes, it depends on the denominator of the other fractions. So cross 1 and put 11 over 11. Okay, now the denominators are same kind fractions which have same denominators. Now they have same denominators, which is greater, 11 or 7? It is 11. So if I have same denominators, I'm going to cross both of them, and the 11 is going to be greater than 7. Okay? Okay, here. If the denominators are not the same, and if the numerators are not the same, what to do? I'll do scissors. Okay? 9 times 3 and 4 times 5. Okay, the circles should be up. 9 times 3 equals 20. 7 and 4 times 5 equals 20. Now which is greater, 27 or 20? 27 is greater than 20. So if the denominators are same, like here and there, so I call them kind of fractions. Cross the denominators, the big is going to be big and the small is going to be small. But if the denominators are totally different and the numerators are totally different, I'm going to make scissors. 9 times 3 equals 27, and 4 times 5 equals 20. Here 1 is a whole number and 8 is a whole number. So which is greater, 8 over 1? Okay, by looking at the whole numbers, I find that 8 is greater than 1, so I can put the sign here. Okay, but if the whole numbers are same, I have to change the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, over there, here, by looking at the whole numbers here, 5 and 3, so they are different. So which is greater, 5 or 3? 5 is greater than 3. Okay, here, this is the how to compare between two fractions. Here, arrange fractions ascendingly. Okay, so here, as we said before, the denominators should be the same. Here, denominators here are 9, 9, 9, but over there I have 3. So I have to change the denominator into 9. So all the denominators should be equal. Okay, so I have to change this 3 into 9 by multiplying it by 3 up and down. So this is gonna be 1 times 3 equals 3, 3 times 3 equals 9. Now all of the denominators are same, but here I have a mixed number. So I can change the mixed number into an improper fraction. Put the denominator as it is, which is 9. 8 times 9, 72. 72 plus 7, put 72 in your mind and 7 in your fingers. 3, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So it's gonna be 79 over 9. Okay, so here when I compare or when I order fractions, I should have equal denominators. Here all of the denominators are 9 except this. So I have to change the 3 into 9 by multiplying up and down by 3. And this mixed number, I have to change it into an improper fraction. So after crossing both of them, okay, let's arrange. I'll put 9 down. And over there, ascending from the small, I have 5, 2, 3, 79. So I put 2 first, and then I put 3, and then 5, and then 79. So when I am comparing between two fractions, I should have same denominators. Or if the denominators and the numerators are totally different, I will do the scissors. Here, the denominators in arranging should be same. So 3 should be 9, multiplying by 3 up and down, and converting the mixed number into an improper fraction. And then now all the denominators are equal, so I have no problem. So 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, thank you, Junior 4.